Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another FX tutorial. I'm going to show y'all two different ways you guys can render an IGTV video, both horizontal and vertical editions. We will start off with a vertical edition. So let's say you already have a video ready for rendering. Go ahead and click the properties icon here. We're going to create a new template called IGTV. First thing we should do is switch up the 1920 by 1080 resolution to 1080 by 1920. The frame rate can be set to your liking, but I will be using 60 FPS here. The rest of these settings are personal preferences, but they work really well. Have the pixel format to 32-bit, rendering quality to best, motion blur tap to Gaussian, and a resample mode to disable resample. Alright, I'm just going to click the save icon, hit apply, and then OK. As you guys can see, it's vertical now, but the original video is not. Simple fix, click on Project Media, right click the original video and select rotate 90 degrees clockwise. At this point we are ready to set our render settings. Go to File and select Render As. Find the format Magix AVC/AAC MP4 and we will use this template here. If you have the right graphics card, you will be able to see this and use the NVIDIA NVENC version. This will allow you to have a much faster render time, but if you're not able to use this option, I recommend customizing the template above. Alright, select the template, then click Customize Template. Let's rename this to IGTV and switch up the frame size again to 1080 by 1920. The frame rate will match the video property settings. As for the variable bitrate, consider the IGTV rules Instagram has. Info will be in the description. The higher VBR is, the bigger your file size will be. I will leave the maximum at 40 and will set the average to 30. Feel free to play around with the VBR settings to best match the outcome you need. The encode mode will be MV encoder or main concept AVC if you're not using NVIDIA NVENC. You can leave the preset to default or set it to high quality. And as for the RC mode, you can leave it on VBR or set it to VBR-high quality. After that, go click on the project tab and set the video rendering quality to best. Make sure to save the template and click OK. The newly created templates will be shown at the bottom of the list. Next, choose a location to save the video in, name it, and finally, go ahead and click render. Alright, cool. That's it for the vertical part of the tutorial. If you guys want to leave it horizontal and want to mimic IGTV videos that look like this, let's go ahead and change back our settings. So right now, the original video is still in 1920 by 1080, while the resolution of the new video is in 1080 by 1920. We have a lot of black space up above and down below. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to speed through a generic theme. But as for you guys, get as creative as you want. When y'all are finished, just render using the past IGTV settings we just created. Alright guys, if this tutorial helped you out, leave a like on the video and subscribe. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Be sure to check out my other Vegas tutorials and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. The film seen on the timeline in this video will be in the description as well. As always, happy editing.